Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be playing Snow Shoveling Simulator. And I had enough money to buy something as well. You're gonna see after when I hop right into the video, so let's go. I got a car, actually, a vehicle, that's one guess. I guess what? Small but mighty, can push the road snow barely. This is really slow car. This is fast. Remember when I first got this vehicle? Yeah. This could be it's medium. So I got this vehicle, guys, like the day after yesterday. I forgot every card, and let's spawn it in. I'm an old greeny person today, so spawn in a green big giant vehicle. I've been driving around with it to get enough money. Mine's red evil. So oh, he has the same vehicle as me. Don't do that. Oh, there we go. I'm inside the vehicle. Good. Then I could finally excuse me. Oh, I got a cough. It's fine. We're only two persons have the vehicle. Sorry about that. It's a big cough right over here, guys. Let go, pretty much. Oh, by the way, the snowman got bigger, so you could be climbing the snowman too. See, look, I could be going. Oh, I'm up. Then you fall down. Green, no, I don't want to join his group. And then you just wait until it finishes. Just gonna wait. Just gonna dance, dancey dance. Can I dance? No, I have capital. No, I don't. I still have capital, don't I? No, I don't. What does? Oh wait, I'm just sorry, guys. Nope. God. Dance too. I am such. No. I don't want to join his group. /8 dance. No. 3. Doesn't work. It's done, guys. It's finally done. I have 60 something money. Good. Can I go now? Can I go? Yes, I can go. I can back the vehicle without hitting no snow. I think I just hit some snow, guys. It cleans so much, guys. It cleans like crazy. We're the only 3 people that has vehicle. Oh yeah. What I'm saying 3 is 1. I'm blind. Oh wait, didn't I show you they have an extra road? I don't know. Let me show you again. So after when this blizzard's done, so I got this vehicle like the day after yesterday. I got that vehicle the day after yesterday. I got the mini plow 5 weeks ago. That's what I can sell. I got this vehicle day after yesterday. Look at me, so grumpy. Look at me, look at. Okay, guys, this is not funny. My vehicle Are you serious? I was not. No. Guys, this is not funny. The game shut down. No, are you serious? I was in the middle of talking. First my vehicle disappeared, then the game shut down. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, share. Bye. Peace.